so messed up. Joe, you're a very good person, Joe. Mom, thank you for my mom, okay? Joe is gonna I'm gonna tell Joe to put the med box in the med bank. Hope to God, I guess. Okay, just, you're gonna have to text it to him, okay? You're gonna have to text, I'll text his number, okay? I promise him. Just so you know, it's not, just so you know, I'm saving myself from myself, okay? Okay? Yeah, so much. Compared to the computer one, the one that you have to press buttons, I don't know these things by heart, okay? Yeah. Thank you. I mean, he's a good guy, it's just could we please go back to physical therapy just for a second? I'm gonna tell him I gotta go back for a second. I'm gonna tell him I want to work 2:15. It's physical therapy 2:15, please. Joe, you're a very good person, Joe. I'll see you tomorrow at 8ish, okay, Joe? Thank you very much, Joe, for helping me. Hi, Mom.
Maybe you shouldn't lock that stuff up until Joe tries the apartment combination.
Good idea.
I'm going to send it right now.
Thank you.
Twist right, left, right, but I'm going to send it right now. Do I his number?
I don't know if you have his number or not, okay? Okay, I'll text it to you, okay? Okay?
Do you have it?
I have it. Yeah, it's...
You just send it to me then.
Okay, it's 415 3...
Hang on. Just a minute.
415 378 6038.
Okay. I'm gonna send him.
You get that? You get that?
Yep. 378-6038.
378 6038. Okay.
I'm gonna send him your contacts.
Okay.
And then maybe he should try it first, before we lock it all up. Make sure. I mean, I can do it, but I can't remember if it's right, left, or left, right, left. I think it's right, left, right. Okay, he'll know if he's ever used these things. Okay. All right, I'll do it. Okay, don't lock it up yet until he's tried it. Okay.
I know that.
Okay. Bye.
Okay. I'm gonna take the 10. I'll be out quick as possible, okay?
Oh.
1 second. Okay, here we go.
Stop slamming the door, dumbass. Stop slamming the door, dumbass. Damn. Dude, what the fuck? He's going to tell them his appointment time is at 2:15. That's what they just told him. He's so fucking stupid. He's the most dumb client I have ever worked with. He's so fucking stupid. They tell you something and you make your staff go make a U-turn just to go tell the doctor that just to repeat after them. Like, what the fuck? Like dude, you are wasting time. Nobody wants to work with you because of it. Yeah, nobody wants to work with him because of it. So fucking annoying. Sheesh, fucking annoying. It's like, dude. Here we go.
Hello.
Ah.
Sorry about that. Talk to you. My mom's gonna talk to you about, what, okay?
Yeah, same combination. Yeah, same combination. I have that one. Yeah. Been having it for a while.
phone is playing. Sweating like a pig. These lights are so annoying.
I mean, they have to be there. I mean, you're not even driving. I'm not. I mean, not just having patience really counts. I mean, it's.
We're not there yet.
It says on this, your right here at 2 o'clock, right by 2, did he say 2:15?
Yeah.
Yeah, there's no reason to get there too early, I don't think. Just get there too early. Okay? Alright. Okay. Riley.
Mountain was cold, didn't it?
Oh, yeah. the door, Sam. Impatient bozo. He's so full of anger. Yeah, don't be rude. Damn. Fucking rude. Don't be rude, motherfucker. Can't stand working with him. Yeah, you don't need to be rude. Sheesh. Fucking asshole. Ever be rude like that to me. Fucking bitch. Come here.